Welcome to another Papa Smerf adventure. This one, living in a construction zone. The Tower Terrace Road and Center Point Road construction. We'll see views from all different kinds of angles. So let's get started on this adventure. Our adventure begins with everybody's favorite sign, road closed. Road closed. Road closed. Here comes the adventure. Dag nabbit, another road closed sign. And a barrier again. This is on Tower Terrace Road heading west towards the mobile home park. Where you see that pile of rock and debris down there, that is Center Point Road and the conjunction with Tower Terrace Road. Mobile home parks beyond that. Let's zoom in and see if we can get a better look at this. Yes, that used to be the intersection of Center Point Road and Tower Terrace Road. No longer there because they're putting in a roundabout. Let's see if we can get a better view. As we can see, there's a crane that's lifting those large concrete parts for the drainage system. Too bad the camera didn't focus so well on the zoom in, but well, let's continue on with the adventure. Here I'm at Center Point Road heading northbound, but looking west of the road. You can see my house in the background. This is a road closed sign heading northbound on Center Point Road. Yep, living in a construction zone. I'm in the middle of it all. You know, if I'd learned how to speak, I wouldn't have to record this 16,000 times on each frame, but well, you know, it is what it is. Anyways, this is looking northbound on Center Point Road at the intersection with Tower Terrace Road. Off to the right, further on that pile, is where the crane and everything is. I thought they were right here at the intersection. And zooming in, it looked like it, but no, they were after it, connecting all the lines they brought all the way through, connecting everything. Wow. A lot of work, a lot of different things to see. Let's continue on. Here I've zoomed in just on that fire hydrant, seeing that they still have to take out that road and lower it down, so they gotta build it way back up to level it out with that fire hydrant. Wow. Unbelievable the work they're doing. I've zoomed way in to show you that other blockage on Center Point Road that stops the vehicles coming southbound. Right there is the one and only entrance in and out of the mobile home park. Well, I hope nothing drastic happens in the park, because it's going to be a long ways to get there. Now we're looking southbound on Center Point Road, and here is that road closed sign and fencing I showed you just a minute ago. And there's the entrance to the park. It's just really hard to get anywhere. I've zoomed in. See, right next to my house, road closed. Who would figure the road would be closed? I know you've seen this one umpteen times. This is the Morning Dove out onto Tower Terrace Road. My house is just off to the right side. Everywhere I turn, all I see is road closed. Here I'm driving Tower Terrace Road eastbound. What's this? The road's closed. It's closed here too. I can't get away from this stuff. Stopping in a parking lot and looking off to the east, I see some cranes. And, oh, there's a new fire hydrant there right off to the left. But what are they doing down there? Now let's take a closer look. What are they doing with all these cranes? Oh, I see. Where all the trees are, that's the mobile home park. And this is just west of the mobile home park. So that's where they're putting in the 2 new bridges. Boy, traffic's gonna be flowing now. Trying to zoom in to get a better look-see, but yeah, you can't look-see anything here. What else is going on? I can see they're installing drain lines. They're offloading it off the semi here. I can see that they offloaded the connection boxes for drain lines on this side of the bridges. A photo while leaving the parking lot just to see if I can catch anything different. I don't know, can you see anything different down there? Even zooming in, still all looks the same to me. Now, back to where we left off on the last video with Tower Terrace Road and the install of the drain lines. Oh, it goes on and on and on. Now, they've extended it down further, but what's this coming off to the side? Well, why is there a drain line there? Well, let's see if we can take a better look. So looking from the other side, looking westbound, it's now going off to the left instead of the right. Hey, it's a confused state I live in, and I'm just trying to have you feel my pain. But anyways, it looks like it's going to be a drain line that's going to run across the 4-lane road to the other side to drain over here to the main drain. Well, let's keep looking. Now the next day I get a call from the maintenance guy from the park, and he wants to know if I know why there's a concrete truck out there. He's dumping concrete into the ground. I said, I don't know, I'll go take a look. Oh, I see what they're doing. They're sealing up those drain lines that lead into those connection boxes. Fascinating. On a closer view, you can see how they really encased those pipes and sealed up those entrances. Doing a good job. Yes, I would say it looks a little better stepping back and taking a look at the whole picture there. Yeah, they sealed it up really good. Looks good. I'm impressed with their work. Aren't you? Here we have a photo of them taking a huge long cable that they pulled out of the ground because they're not leaving anything in the ground that is not being used. And they're cutting it up into sections and they're putting it on the trailer there. Well, let's take a closer look at what they're cutting up. There's copper in them hills, I tell you. Boy, look at all the copper in those lines. It's like buried treasure. Somebody's gonna make some money off of that. Turning around and looking inside the mobile home park, I was like, wait. There's road construction behind me. What's this going on here? What? There's now patchwork in the road, and what's these pink lines they've drawn in the road for now? What's going on? Yes, living in a major construction zone, and I mean in a major construction zone. Is an adventure all in itself. Because everywhere you turn, this is the only sign you see. Well, I hope you enjoyed this adventure. I got another adventure for you coming up real close right after this one. It has to do with the mobile home park. Well, stay tuned. Let's go on some adventures. That's all life is. Till next time, love you all. Bye.